Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting algebra problem in which we are given 4x cubed minus 4 root 3 times x square minus 24x equals to 0. Now divide the whole equation by 4 whole equation by 4 and we get x cubed minus root 3 x square minus 6x equals to 0. Now take x common from this equation, we get x times x square minus root 3x minus 6 equals to 0. So from here we get two cases, x equals to 0 and x square minus root 3x minus 6 equals to 0. So here we have x equals to 0 as the value. We have to neglect this as we have to find the non-zero values of x. So this we will neglect. For this quadratic equation, we will apply quadratic formula to find the value of x. As we know, for any quadratic equation written in the form of x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, the value of x can be found by minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in our case, x equals to minus root 3 plus minus under root minus root 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 6 divided by 2 times 1. On solving this, we get root 3 plus minus under root minus root 3 square, that is 3, minus 4 times 1 times minus 6, that is 24 divided by 2. So we get root 3 plus minus root 27 divided by 2. In solving this, we get root 3 plus minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. From here, we get two values of x. First is x equals to root 3 plus 3 times root 3 divided by 2. On solving this, we get 2 root 3. And second value of x is root 3 minus 3 times root 3 divided by 2. That is minus 2 times root 3 divided by 2. So we get minus root 3. So we have two values of x that are non-zeros. First is 2 times root 3 and second is minus root 3. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.